would then most likely scale between 9 and 12, and then anywhere between, in fact, it would scale from 9 to around 15, and then anywhere between 15 and 30, dependent on the actual setup. I've just had to take some painkillers for my hamstring, so apologies if I sound a little bit monotone. We've just got our first green diamond of the day. First green diamond of the day. It's more of a medium strength, so we will keep the same sizing. I need to sneeze, and every time I sneeze, my nerve is, I feel it all the way down my leg. I'll try not to sneeze. Oh, first green diamond. Still a C trade for me. I will do, if we do trade 223s, it sounds crazy, but I will long 223s. We'll put a long out there at 223s to add into this if we get it. And then I think we can run up into yesterday's high, which is where this fib extension takes us. And yeah, we do have a lot of Fed speakers talking to me. So yeah, and Sam, like, I know you obviously probably seen what I'm seeing, but like about this from just a pure sort of point of view, what we've been working on is, shift to the upside on that green triangle at 9:30 on the open, coupled with the high to high, which is from the first traditional that traded. That first traditional high I'm looking at 12.35 from yesterday. Doesn't really matter what anchor you use. Like, you see my screen, like, listen to this back. I'll be able to see if it's correct or not. Just to help to get some of the background music out. Or the background sounds. Really need to trade, I think, what would be 28s now. So I think that 23s could probably get taken off. Nobody will line up with about 23s. I'll keep 23s on. It has never been this easy. We're about to do some real special things, guys. You wait till we get a nice pullback on that weekly chart, and geez, that ride up like we just did for the past Q1 into Q2. Oh boy, if I did 200k without knowing the stuff I know now, geez, that'd have been a milli. You could. Now we just have to work with the micro pullbacks, not so much the seasonal. But if we do get one, I will be praying for one for sure, because we need those 10-20% drops in order to move back up. And those moves back up are always within 6 months, pretty much always back. Which basically means, in short, it's a day trader's heaven for 6 months. How many people forget that? Not you guys get it. You always hear people screaming off the rooftops when we see a 10-15% correction. I'm like, wish we had one. If we don't trade this 23s by 11:30, I will take this off. Just in time. Let's go. Trading's never been easier. Trading has never been, and that's how it's supposed to be. Every single day it should get easier. We're getting harder. Been doing this shit too long for it to be getting harder. It's just too easy. I gotta come on the camera so you can all see my beautiful face. Love it when a plan comes together. This is what we do. 264s on deck. Give me that 264s. I'm excited for you guys. You guys are going to see some crazy shit over the next, well, just give it time. And those that want to learn, I'll see. We are all here for it. Well, the majority of you are lifetime members, so you're not going anywhere. Me thinks I should just only accept lifetime members, but we don't discriminate. I want to see Sam's face right now. Please say he's grinning like me. Anything that's not making this clean is the BX is red still on the daily from yesterday, obviously. And the momentum trend on the half an hour is still red. Like, I don't know if you can see that, Sam. That's the only thing that put me off is obviously yesterday was bearish, but you shouldn't always treat the previous day as gospel in the sense of following the trend, because each day is different. And the half an hour momentum at the moment is still technically not bearish, but like, I would say kind of undecisive. So it's a tricky one, trying to trade an aggressive high to high inside when the momentum is. So this is the thing about having multiple indicators. Sometimes obviously it can be get everything line up. That's brilliant, but unfortunately you're not going to get everything line up every single time, or else every single trade would be A+. That's why we use multiple indicators to try and help us. So when something is showing a lesser signal, you're still getting strong signals with something else. And I think that is literally what trading is all about. It's like one thing is going to work correct or 100% all the time. See, that's why you have to use, in my opinion, for me anyway, because I can't do it any other way, you have to look at multiple aspects of right. My stock can pretty much be break even, and I think I'm fine with a break even. Like, I don't even think I shouldn't, but what I'll do is I'll keep half on. But I think I'm fine on this. Is the ATR 1.530, so 15, so 85, 85. I think I'm going to be fine on this, but just in case I'm not, because again, I have no idea if I'm going to be fine or not, and I don't really need to know that. What I do, or what I can do, or what I can control is, things I can move, right, which is my stops or my targets. Miller back with the matrix screen. Yes, I've got. Oh wait, how many? Let me just change this a second. I've got three micros at break even, which I don't think we necessarily even trade. I don't think we're going to come back down to break even, but we do. I think that's a nice break and retest. I just don't know if we're going to get it. So part of me thinks I'll just lock in at least some there at break even. Minimize the risk. It's not really that big of a risk, but and then the rest I'll probably just have at whatever the 1.5 ATR is on the 5 minute, which is 28, 30 points. I really should be 30 points for my original entry. 7 freeze. It's pretty much these, but I think we just go. Oh, here we go, half 11, and we're above the high. Literally what I said. Unspoken, the NQ got scared. That or a long time looking at this index and try to make it and try to tailor its behavior to me, or behavior, because NQ is more powerful than I am. We just have to follow what it does. The thing is, if we complete this 260s, if we complete this, I'm probably gonna get done on the day. I know some people hate when I get done quickly, but I think for at least till like the afternoon session, this is probably the only trade you're gonna get. Yeah, I think 260s is probably all you're gonna get, and then maybe an afternoon push. But I'm not gonna stick. Makes sense to have a pullback here, but it should just run. But there is time left, is why we probably could get a pull. Have you had rest? If you need me to do anything, let me know. Yeah. I might even have a bath, and you can just put him on the bouncer. I can have a bath, and you can just put him on the bouncer. The little whatever it is, and just have a. Yeah, I always get out if I need. Yeah, is it ready? Have you put that thing back together, that bouncer? Yeah, if you do that, then that'll be sound. When I said it shouldn't come to my break even, all after me. If this trade completes, and within the next hour or so, this is slowing down where we should be in a second. We're slowing down where we should be. Yeah. Oh, so it's like this is programmed. 260. If we don't trade 264s today, I'm down my test free. Like, I'm confident. £51,000. I'm gonna get this done. I'm gonna get off trading this on multiple accounts. So I think this should be over 70. What did I make on the first? Yeah, I think I'm up 600. Right. Yeah, there'd be about an $800 day. And I'm trading this on multiple accounts. Actually, we're doing this at accounts. Like $500 on 20 accounts is $10,000 a day. Just keep telling myself that. No problem, Lee. Hopefully you've had a good day. Are you green on the daily? I don't know if you're still here. Post your wins in the wins channel, everyone, if you are up today. And of course, please leave a review on the WUP page. We still haven't had any reviews from last time I asked, which makes me sad. Because there is 38 people watching and only 28 reviews. It means there's 10 of you that haven't left a review technically, which is really choked to death. Oh, nice, Christian. Green for today. Thanks, Callum. Let's see if we can get a pay. Oh, for sure. Jesus Christ, $4,000. What? Oh, he's on a PA. Nice, bro. Easy. I don't know if you're on, but you've got this, man. It's easy. Just don't. You're up 4,000. If he's got, is he on stream, Christian? I'm already up 4K on that account. Day one. You got 4 days left. Like, case you make 200. Is it 150 or 200 now? 150, right, on the top step, I think. Worst case, you make 150 per day for the next 4 days, which is total. Then you can take out 2,300. Pay yourself and want scale Honestly, it is so easy once you get past that like hurdle. It's so easy. It just takes so long to be able to get to the point where it's like, oh, it's actually that easy. But yeah, we'll get that payout, you're done. Like, I don't quite know how to put it into words, but it's just like once you've done it, you've proven yourself, and it just the rest is history. To the point where I start thinking, how do prop firms make money? Because I'm thinking there is definitely a hell of a lot of traders out there that are completely milking these firms, which makes me think, how many people are losing and why are they losing? Crazy. Enough for them to still be making a fucking fortune. It's crazy. Because they're paying you out of simulated funds. They're paying you out of revenue, which is just insane. When I say my break-even stop isn't getting taken, I say it for a reason. I'm using a very tight stop, to be fair, but I just wish I had time on my hand. It's time on my side. We've still got like song left in like the afternoon, and I just think, or the morning period, and I just think I could still get. If we got a pullback, it doesn't negate the trade. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, you could come down to would be 146s, another 100 points down, and would still be a good buy. So kind of just scalp your way out of this. I'm just hoping we stay strong and we just complete that. Take some off at 54. See us trading this 54s in the next couple of minutes. So crazy. I took an ibuprofen, which is a painkiller in the UK. I think it's in the US as well. And honestly, just one. I only ever take one tablet at a time. I fucking hate taking it, to be honest. And I swear, because that's how annoyed I am that I have to take it. It really F's me off. The pain is gone. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. I don't like it. I really don't like it. If we don't trade this 53s in the next two, I'm going to increase my targets. Try and ride this up. Yep. We going up, baby. We going up. Could really not sing. It just can't be this easy. To be honest, I actually wouldn't class this as an easy trade because, again, I still think if we got a pullback, it would still be a good buy. So this is going to be one of those trades where it's like, it's an aggressive trade and you just have to be very mindful of your stop placement on this, which is why I'm trailing this as much as I can. Ideally, obviously, I'd be trailing above break even. I can do like not much, but I can pretty much put above break even, which I know isn't huge, but that's what makes sense structurally for me. But hopefully we get this traded. And look, this is the only trade I've taken on stream today, and this is going to be a banger. 20 accounts on this, you're talking $20,000 probably. Probably will be close to $1,000 trade, I think. I'm trying to work it out. I'm up 160. I'm probably going to be up about 700. Probably going to be up about 850. That's about $17,000 on 20 accounts. Oh boy, we're about to do something crazy. Taking some off here, and then the rest I'm going to 62s. Can't get it properly. 62s. There we go. So I've got 5 left. If it doesn't trade again shortly, I can increase my target, but we are getting a bit overextended here. I'm not selling them, Sam. I've decided I'm not selling the indicators. I'm not doing it. It's going to be a proprietary system for me and you. Oh dear. It's so weird. I'm still yawning today, but my it's saying I got 80% recovery today. Yesterday I was at 50%. So this morning I did like cold therapy, went to the sauna for 20 minutes under the cold shower. I can't believe how cold that shower was. And then 20 minutes in the sauna, 5 minutes on the shower, 20 minutes in the sauna, minutes on the shower. So I want to see what my recovery is like tomorrow. 5 micros left. See if we can trade this in the next couple. And then I'm going to have a bath to see if I can have an Epsom salt bath just to stretch my leg out a little bit. Although I've been doing it for over a year now and it's still the freaking same. But the long game. Stop a little. What cleaner's still doing it. Move those targets up a little bit. I think once we take out yesterday's high, I think we get a large candle. Hourly is getting overextended. So I've got to be a bit careful here. Taking some off. Taking it off, guys. But on the day. Oh, baby. That's off. I think that's the sensible thing to do. We may go higher, but we're getting extended. And you have to be aware of that. My job's not to be perfect. My job's to get a piece of the move. Okay, so we'll do a quick breakdown of that trade. I'll upload this to YouTube as well so you can see. But yeah, we came into the support at the